Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. What are we going to make today, Gail?
Today we are making melting snowmen or snow people.
I know, and this was really fun. I really liked doing this activity.
Yeah, me too. It was nice and a little bit messy, which you know I like.
So before we begin, we're going to start with a melting snowman breath. So we're going to start with fingertips, our palms and fingertips together, and we're going to take a deep breath in while we build our snowman and make a round circle. And then the sun comes out and we're going to breathe out slowly. And our snowman melts. So let's do that again. We're going to build a snowman, deep breath in, sun comes out and it melts away. All right, here we go. And it melts.
I love that. That's great.
All right, thanks. All right, so what supplies do we need?
Okay, so today for supplies, we're going to need scissors, cardstock paper, glue, shaving cream, buttons or googly eyes, twigs, glitter, paper towels.
All right, we're ready to start?
Yes.
All right, so the two main things you're going to need are glue and the shaving cream to start. And so you can pour like equal amounts in a container, like a Tupperware container, a bowl, whatever you have. So I'm gonna pour mine in to cover the bottom and a little bit more.
Okay.
And you don't have to measure, it doesn't have to be exact. And then you're going to do your shaving cream. And if you want, you can put a little bit more shaving cream in.
I love this part.
I know. And what I like about it is you don't have to measure.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I use just a plastic knife. You can use a spoon, whatever, to make it. Did you use your hand? Good. I thought about doing that. I might. If you're in a messy mood, you could do that. If you don't want to get your sticky and feel gooey, you can do what I'm doing.
Okay. That's why I have my paper towels.
Right. And then another option you can do is if you want to add some glitter to your snow paint. How does it feel, Gail? Is it sticky or?
Yeah, yes, it is. Okay. And so for the next part, I use my hands for this part as well. You can just put it on your paper any way you want to look like the snowman is melting. There's no right or wrong with this.
Okay, so this is where I'm gonna dip in.
Yeah. And you want to do it pretty thick, so then it is like 3D. It stands up a bit.
Right, and when it dries and it's like puffy paint, if you know what puffy paint is. Actually, I kind of like the way it feels.
I do too. Okay. Mine is really, really already quite melted.
Mine's making it more. There's mine.
Nice. And so for this next part, there really isn't a right or wrong way to do it. Like I said, there's so many different options you can do for this next part before we do the hat and the nose. Like for the arms, I'm using twigs. What are you going to use, Peggy?
I'm using pipe cleaners. I had a pipe cleaner and I just cut it in half, and then I'm going to just turn the end down and twist it so it kind of has a little hand to it.
And I'm just laying the twigs right in here because since there's glue as part of this, it'll just stick right on when it's dry.
Right, that's what I like about this too. It's like you just place whatever you want on the snowman. And you can use like pom-poms for eyes or pom-poms for buttons or buttons. You can even just use paper, cut up paper
Yeah.
for what you want.
For my eyes, I'm going to use buttons. I'm just going to
Okay,
kind of drop them right on my snow person.
I'm going to use googly eyes. Oh, I dropped it on upside down. And then I had some fleece scraps that I cut some fringe on. So I'm going to use for the scarf.
Okay, and I'm using a piece of paper, and I also just cut into the edges for a fringe, like a scarf might have.
And then you can just use your fingers to press it down into the snow person.
Yeah, mine's coming along.
Nice.
Yeah.
Get there's mine.
Nice, looks good. And then for the hat and the nose, I used cardstock paper, but again, you could really use anything you want. You could even use a little bit of a real carrot if you wanted.
Right.
I already cut mine. I think you did too, right?
Right. And then I'm going to use pom-poms for buttons.
Okay, and I'm using actual buttons for buttons.
And so again, whatever you have around the house, you can make use of. I also like these gems that kind of are like the Mancala game gems. And I just wanted to see if they'll stick on also, just as a decoration.
All right,
Okay,
here is mine.
I like it. Here's,
Oh, I like it. These are really, really fun.
I know that's, and I like you can do so many different ways,
Yeah.
different materials.
Yeah, and it'll dry. Mine took kind of a little while to dry because it's so thick, but it does eventually dry.
Right, you can hang it up and enjoy it.
Yeah.
All right, so we hope you enjoyed our melting snow person activity today.
And if you'd like to see some of our other craft videos, you can go to our website, www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Bye, have fun.